Welcome to another interesting lesson in biology. This morning we are going to look at how we can identify the different classes of plants. In our previous lesson, we got to know that there are two main classes of plants in the division Angiospermophyta. Now these two classes of plants are: one, class Dicotyledonei. These are what we call the dicot plants. Dicot plants. The second class of plants under division Angiospermophyta is the class Monocotyledonei. These are commonly referred to as monocot plants. Now, to simply understand these two classes, we can use the dicot in their names. Dicot means that these plants have two cotyledons in the seed. Two cotyledons in the seed. And the monocot here indicates that they have only one cotyledon in the seed. Now, if you take these two classes of plants in division Angiospermophyta, that's the flowering plants, there are so many ways in which you can identify them. This morning, we are going to use just one structure or organ in the plant to identify these two classes of plants. So I have with me here two different leaves plucked from two different classes of plants. In my left hand is a leaf of a monocot plant, and then in my right hand is a leaf of a dicot plant. You can see that these two leaves are different in shape and even in size. And a closer look at these two leaves will reveal certain features that distinguishes these two classes. Now let's begin with the first one, the dicot leaf. We pluck this from a dicot plant. Now if you look at the leaf, it is broad in size, broad surface, and it also have network of veins. If you look at the underside of the leaf, you see network of veins. Then you can also see a leaf stalk in this leaf. Now when you also take this monocot leaf, you can see that it is narrow and then long in shape and then size. Now when you turn to the underside, that is the ventral surface of the leaf, you will see a bold or a thickened vein running through the middle of the leaf, and then subsequent smaller veins that run parallel to this leaf. Now this leaf doesn't have a leaf stalk, rather it has a leaf sheath. So if I am to compare these two leaves, that can help us identify these two classes of plants. These are some of the things that we can list on the board. So for the dicot leaf, it has one, broad leaf surface. Number two, it has a network of veins. And then the third feature that we saw on this leaf is that it has a leaf stalk. When we also look at the monocot leaf, one, it is not broad, but it is what? Narrow. It's a narrow leaf. Now, the type of veins on the monocot leaf here is parallel. So it has parallel venation. And then finally, it doesn't have a leaf stalk